OfficeReports Calculo is a fully featured crosstab plugin for Excel that simplifies the process from survey data to table reports. Enter the Office Reports tab in Excel and add your raw data, for example from an SPSS SAV file. The data editor gives an overview of the data organized in variables and categories. Office Reports makes it easy to copy, merge and group variables. As in this example, creating 4 categories based on a numeric age variable, or creating an NPS variable based on a numeric variable, and to copy this structure to new similar variables. Creating new category variables based on a date variable is also a simple operation. Select the date variable and organize the data in days, weeks, months, or as in this example, quarters. For more complex definitions, Office Reports provides a formula editor where you can define and combine variables as you like. Before starting creating crosstabs and banner tables, the summary report is a great help to find the story in the data. Select all variables and a relevant banner point, and you get an overview of the data with a display of percentages, significance, observations, and indexes. Now it's time to create tables. Click on the Table button in the menu and select a variable. Office Reports responds immediately with a frequency table, and in the pane to the right, you can adjust the content of the table, here by adding Department as a banner point. Click a few buttons in the pane and the table includes mean values, standard deviation and standard error. Click the Statistics tab and add a stat test to the table. In the ribbon you can adjust the statistics settings and, for example, add an extra 90% confidence level. Now update the table and a test with 2 confidence levels is displayed in the table. Additional banner points can be added to the table. Here, gender. One extra click and gender is displayed nested in the table. The default table layout can easily be changed and customized to your needs, and with Office Reports you can define and edit table layouts in the Layout module. If you need many tables in your report, you can create multiple crosstabs in one process. In the Office Reports menu, select Add Many Tables, then select the relevant variables and banner points. In this example, we add quarter as a banner and adjust the content. Within seconds, the tables will be added. If you need to edit a group of already created tables, Mass Update is a powerful feature that can update all tables in one process. Select the relevant tables, adjust the content, hereby adding a filter excluding Q1 2020 data from the tables, and update. Office Reports also provides special table types like grid tables, typically used when showing a group of variables in the same table, like this group of scale questions. If you add a banner to the grid table, Office Reports can show mean values or top or bottom box values. Stat tests can also be added to the grid table. Another special table type is the performance table. Here the focus is on showing the banner categories with the highest and the lowest score. You can at any time add new data to the report template. Here we add new data covering Q1 2021. All variables in the data editor are updated and the quarter variable automatically includes new quarter categories. Now let's add a report filter to the report so that we only show data covering the newest 4 quarters. Then click Refresh Report, and all tables are updated in just one process. With OfficeReports Calculo, you get a powerful crosstab tool to analyze and report your survey data, fully implemented in a user interface that you know well, Microsoft Office. If you have to visualize your data in PowerPoint, please check out OfficeReports IntelliGo that includes data visualization in PowerPoint and Calculo functionality. Please download the OfficeReports plugin and try out all the Calculo and IntelliGo features for free.